A maximum power point tracking technique for a wind power system based on the trapezoidal rule.
Abstract.
In this project, a maximum power point tracking technique for a wind power system based on the trapezoidal rule is to optimize the operation of wind power systems by improving the efficiency of maximum power point tracking. Here is our website, which you can find the EEE projects and explore various other domains on www.takeoffprojects.com. From EEE simulations to projects spanning diverse fields, our website offers a rich collection to satisfy your curiosity. Whether you're seeking titles or abstracts, our platform provides easy access to the project resources. Embark on a journey of discovery and innovation by visiting our website today and dive into the world of exciting projects and research.
Document.
In Document, we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, keywords in different stages based on project. Take note of keywords as chapters, proposed system, result discussion, conclusion, future scope, and references.
PPT.
In PPT, we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, existing method, disadvantages, proposed method, proposed block diagram, simulation block diagram, and results. Advantages, applications, software and hardware requirements, conclusion, future scope, and references.
Results.
In this block diagram illustrated that the wind speeds are varied in a random sequence of 10 meters per second, 12 meters per second, 11 meters per second, 7 meters per second, and 9 meters per second. The CPO algorithm and the proposed algorithm are both simulated using the same system parameters. The inputs to the MPPT block for the CPO method as well as the proposed method are the DC voltage and current from the output of the rectifier stage. The pulses produced by this block are then given to the boost converter stage for producing the output. The outputs of the MATLAB function, power and voltage reference, are passed on to apply the CPO method for tracking the MPP by using the wind speed conditions. Thank you for watching. For more details, contact 9030333433.